Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Just taking a quick look here at Vechain on the daily time frame then. As always, thank you very much for joining me. Please do like and subscribe, check back every day for a new video. Also leave a comment, let me know what you think about the price action recently of Vechain. As you can see here, obviously we've still got this bear market resistance up here that needs to be tested. Vechain underperforming in terms of quite a lot of cryptos, to be honest. In terms of just the sheer actually getting back up towards these resistances and testing them. Pretty much every crypto that I have looked at and seen recently has actually come up and at least tested its bear market resistance, with a lot of them really being well past it now. As we can see for Bitcoin, for example, Bitcoin is well past its bear market resistance now, really heading up towards its all-time high. It's around halfway back to its all-time high at the current price, which is very interesting indeed, considering how badly down Vechain is still. Obviously, some altcoins have started to move recently as well. I've seen a few 5-10x's in the market. Hex, for example, did a 10x. Obviously, have your own opinions about that. But overall, I do think that Vechain right now is underperforming and really is probably due for a little bit more of a bounce. You can see really we've just been consolidating in this huge range for a good while now. Really, the range was made around this area here. You can see resistance, resistance, support. Resistance, support, and now we're heading back up to resistance. Very, very simple, really. Got my Fibonacci drawn from the bull market high down to the bear market low here. And we are heading up towards that first Fibonacci level at the 0.23 Fibonacci. At around 2.7 cents, which also happens to be this swing high here. I do think this is probably the next port of call for Vechain if we do continue to the upside. Although I did say previously, we are looking quite overextended in this local area in terms of getting very overbought here. But obviously the last time we were overbought, we were in this area here and we actually did run all the way to the top of the range. So considering that we've come down, back tested twice here and gained some momentum, also broken out of some key swing areas here for a bit of bullish market structure, you'd probably expect some more upside for Vechain over the next few weeks. Not saying that's guaranteed to happen, but it does seem the most likely outcome, considering we've also broken out of this resistance here that we've been stuck under for a good while, ever since we were really back up at around that 3.2 cent level at the top of the range. And when you do break out of a descending wedge pattern like this, you do tend to come up and at least retest at the peak of the wedge. So really that would coincide nicely with coming up over the next few weeks or months and heading back up to the top of this range, also hoping to come up and meet at least this bear market resistance over the next few months as well, going into the next bull market. I do think there's a bull market approaching. Starting to see signs of it everywhere, aren't you, in the markets? A lot of twitchy altcoins making some moves. So it will be interesting to see how Vechain performs. I do think it's going to do well long term. But for now, probably expecting it to stay within this range between 1.5 and 3 cents really, until we do see ourselves getting some good momentum, breaking to the upside, testing this resistance, and then making our way up through the Fibonacci levels towards the all-time high, and hopefully in the next bull market beyond, which would be good to see. But right now we're just chilling, waiting and seeing what's going to happen next. As always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Check back every day for a new video. Leave a comment and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.